used to feel like I was walking on glass in my knee, which has been bad for 2 years. I tore the meniscus, but the cartilage was destroyed at that time.
I had a ski accident 14 months ago. I had 11 surgery on my knee.
I favored the stem cell rather than replacement of knee, which obviously is a longer period of time. This is 4 weeks, 2 days. It's getting better daily.
I had an injection on my knee 3.5 weeks ago. My knee is a lot more flexible and doesn't hurt in the morning at all. There's no stiffness.
That feeling is gone completely. It used to be when I stood together, my knees would be apart like this. Now I stand together and my knees actually do touch. I started playing golf again this last week. I've played 3 rounds. I haven't had to ice it. The swelling hasn't been extensive. So I would definitely recommend stem cell.